Hi, this is Billy Frades. I'm going through the 4% challenge, and after watching session 13, I got these results. I got 72 prospects. Don't know if you can see that. And yesterday I got, well, it shows 12, it's actually 9, because 3 of them I was testing it out was my email address. So today I got 72, and there's something wrong with GetResponse. I had contacted them as far as the open rate showing 0, so hopefully they'll let me know what's going on. But yeah, that's my results. Just wanted to show everyone my results. So that's 72 plus 9, 81 opt-ins, which is not bad. Yeah, I mean, you can accomplish anything that you set your mind out to. Just gotta have a positive mindset. Don't give up.